Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Salishanma here. Welcome back to my messy man cave once again for more RC video reviews. Flying FPV whoops, and it's stocking up more and more batteries recently so I can have more flights. I can enjoy more FPV whooping and more FPV flights without having to wait and charge the batteries. And when you stock up more batteries, you definitely need better chargers to charge more batteries at the same time. As you can see in the background, one charger is already charging 6 of my 1S LiHV high voltage LiPO batteries for my FPV whoops. 6 of the batteries charging at the same time means 3 flights, people. 3 flights for me are getting ready without having to wait and charge the battery. Just swap and fly. Now, as I left a question in my previous video of this Ultra Power S6 AC charger, that what if you wanted to charge a 2S battery, not just 1S but 2S battery, what are you gonna do? And I also showed you in the same video that you gotta get yourself an Ultra Power UP-S4AC battery charger, because this is a 4-way charger that will charge 2S batteries as well, not just 1S battery. Now S6AC is limited to charging only 1S batteries, but S4AC is not limited to 1S battery. It can charge 2S batteries at the same time. 4 of them at the same time. You can either charge 2 of 1S and 2 of 2S, or 1S and 3 for 2S. I mean, you can mix up those batteries and charge up to 4 batteries on this charger. Let me bring the camera closer, give you a quick overview of this charger, and we will charge some batteries on this. Now, having these 2 chargers, I can charge 10 batteries. If I'm charging 1S, I can charge 10 1S batteries LiHV at the same time. That means 5 FPV whooping flights for me, people. 5 flights. Swap batteries, keep flying. And that is the fun. Don't stop FPV whooping. Alright, so here is UP-S4AC. Alright, 4 channels, so you can charge 4 batteries at the same time. 6 different ports, unlike the charger in the back. S6AC has 4 different ports. This has 6 different ports. So this time you have SM, XH, micro, MX, JST, and MCPX connectors. You can charge LiPO or LiHV, and charging current you can select from 0.1 to 1 amp as per your choice. Inside the box you have a user manual and of course a similar looking charger, I can tell you that, but with 4 ports. I mean, you can still look at the blurry charger in the back. The same thing, select button, settings button, but 4 ports only, or 4 channels only. But this one has 6 different ports, as you can see right here. You have SM, XH, micro, XM, JST, and MCPX. Some of the 2S LiPos, they do have JST connectors, or you can use just the balance port to charge them. I can also use this port, which is SM port, only for NiMH. It says 2 to 6S NiMH battery. You can charge those as well. So not only this is charging LiPO, LiHV, but also charging NiMH. So some of the toys that we have do have those kind of NiMH batteries and these kind of ports. So with this charger you can even charge NiMH. How nice is that? Alright, so we have 4 ports, we have wall outlet, and as usual we also have the XT60 connector. So you can use a 2 to 4S battery to power this charger in the field and charge your 1S or 2S batteries. Obviously here you have a wall outlet, I mean cable for wall outlet. So here is another 4S battery, and there we go. It just showed me the input voltage. Alright, then we have LiPO. You can select the current. I'm gonna select the current to 0.6 amp, press and hold settings, and the settings are saved. Let me zoom in more on this charger. Okay, and then LiPO, LiHV, NiMH. So you can basically select what you want to charge. I'm gonna charge LiHV on all of these ports. So I'm gonna save the settings to LiHV. Alright, and that's it. I mean, nothing more to do. Now all you need to do is connect your LiHV batteries. So I have more of these batteries, but hey, how about we charge these bigger batteries so we can fly the tiny Hawk as well. All right, so I'm going to connect these 450 milliamp batteries on this charger, and as soon as you connect, it will start charging. Hey, how many batteries are charging in my room? All the chargers are beeping around. Hold on, let me turn that off. So as soon as you plug the battery, it will start charging. I have to see the right port for this. I don't want to, do something wrong. All right, number one. And where are you, MCPX? Number two. Number three. And number four. Alright, now you can see what you're charging, and all the information will keep cycling around, the volts of the batteries, the amps, and we're gonna leave this charger right here charging and see how long it takes to charge. So to say, I simply am loving these ultra power S6AC and S4AC. Now I can charge 1S, 6 of them or 10 of them using both of these chargers, and I can charge 2S batteries as well, 4 of them at the same time using the S4AC. And I can carry these chargers with me on the field. If I'm going somewhere, I'll just carry all these batteries I have, you see, and that's not it, more batteries are on their way. I can carry 2 of these chargers, keep charging, and keep flying. Alright, so batteries are charging, both of the chargers are charging, a lot of LiHV batteries for me. For me, don't stop FPV whooping is coming true, because I have 2 of the best FPV whoops here, and I'm just gonna go crazy flying them. I have lots of batteries with me. I don't have to charge the batteries on the field, just swap and fly. And riding my electric motorbike, I have found some really cool and nice places for FPV whooping, especially with these brushless FPV whoops. It's gonna be simply a lot of fun. So stay tuned for more video. If you like these chargers, the links are in video description, and the links to all those batteries that I have been ordering are also in the video description. So go ahead and order yourself more batteries, and don't stop FPV whooping. Thank you very much. If you like this video, do hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Just hit that little bell icon so you stay updated for all the coolest new FPV whooping videos coming your way. And definitely I'm gonna take you on the rides around the town on my electric motorbike with my FPV whoops, so you can actually watch both ways. You can watch the ride videos, you can watch the city, and you can also watch some of the coolest FPV whooping places.